Hey guys, today's video is my take on a beach wave. It's pretty easy. It doesn't take too much time to do, a couple minutes, maybe 10, 15, depending on how long and thick your hair is. I hope you like it. Okay, we're starting with completely dry hair. I blow dried using a heat protectant blow dry primer. We'll need a clip for sectioning, a 1-inch curling iron. I like these spring clamps. I feel like I have more control, and a comb. All right, so to begin, I section my hair. Actually, I split my hair in two. And then I take this bottom section here. I kind of make like a moon shape with my finger as I part. So I'm taking my finger or my comb and I'm doing this motion here. So we don't get any straight lines. Those will be harder to blend later on. All right, we're gonna take this section and comb it out so there's no tangles. If you put heat on a tangle, it is in there until you wet it again. Okay, so we're gonna start at the root. This is the part that takes the longest to heat up. So we're gonna unclamp and move our way down little by little, leaving a good tail behind. This is what's gonna give us a beach wave and not a full-on curl. So we'll have that straight end there. You can stretch them out a little bit so they're a little more relaxed. There's that one. All right, same thing. I'm going about the ear and making a moon shape. Clipping that out of the way. And then we're gonna comb through to make sure there's no tangles. Okay, here we go. So we're starting at the root, curling toward the root, letting it sit for a second with this long tail. And then we're gonna unclamp little by little until we get to our tail that we're leaving out. Another thing is you don't want to overlap the hair. You want it to have this ribbon effect here, or you won't have even heat distribution, which is really important for the curls formation. All right, so now once I get to here, I'm gonna start taking diagonal back sections. So I'm gonna start high and go low. So the reason that I do that is my sections will be smaller toward the back and larger toward the front. So I'll be more relaxed in the front and tighter in the back. Okay. I'm also holding the curling iron straight up and down for right now because I'm looking for a curl and not volume. Okay, and here I like to take a big section and start much lower and leave a bigger tail. I want this to be more relaxed than the rest of the hair. So now I don't have this tundral next to my face. My face is open. My hair is soft near my face. It's not so harsh to look at. All right. So now I'm gonna take my complete bang area and do another one of those diagonal back sections. So now you should have this pie shape section at the crown. Make sure I don't leave anything behind. So in the back, you can encourage a little bit of volume. You can hold the hair straight up and bring that, hold your curling iron on at a diagonal. So you're getting lift and movement. Ow. Right, leave that tail behind. Okay, so now I'm sectioning out my entire bang area. I want that to be one section. So I'll have 2, 3 more curls to go. Oh, I got a little bit of a previous curl. So I'm trying to keep that that lift pretty low on the sides and in the front, so my silhouette won't be so outward. Pull the skin a little bit. Okay, so these bang pieces, I like for them to be really relaxed. So I start way farther down and I keep my ribboning pretty far away from one another. See, way more relaxed. Okay, moving on. You can encourage some volume in the back if you'd like. Today I'm not going to. So if you wanted to encourage more volume at the crown, you would over direct toward the front and curl back this way. I don't really need the volume today, so I'm holding it down. And making sure I get that curl that I'm after, leaving those ends out. This is really hard to do on a camera. All right, now we'll let these cool while we work on the other side. Half moon shape, or moon shape. Clip it out of the way. Comb the section. Start at the root. So this one got a little tighter than I wanted, so I'm gonna just hold it down for a few seconds and let it relax. Now these curls will fall throughout the day, but I feel as though the more they fall, the more, I guess, authentic they look. Like where it's just effortless and like you woke up like this, you know? All right. Comb it out. Start at the root, work your way in, leave this tail behind. Another thing, I know that the movement of the curling iron is pretty hard to learn if you've never done it before. I would suggest practicing with a cool iron. We've all seen the video of the little girl who singes her hair off, and we don't want any of that. But if you just practice, you'll get it down. You'll get a way better curl. You'll get way better hold. Trust me. All right, now remember in the front, we leave this more relaxed. So we're gonna start farther down and leave more of a tail. And leave the bang diagonal back for that pie shape. Clipping back. And this usually takes me about, I'd say, 10 minutes or so to do. I mean, it's taking longer today because I'm talking and trying to do it through the camera. It's so hard. But this doesn't take long at all. If you have thicker hair, obviously it's going to take a little bit longer, but not, you know, shorter than when you compare it to other things that you do with thick hair. You're not taking super small sections. Everything is not completely uniform, so there's definitely room for error. This is a good quick hairstyle. If you have a couple minutes, but not, you know, a half hour. And, you know, I've worn, this is my go-to hairstyle. This is what I wear pretty much every day. I've worn it in a formal setting. I've worn it to work. I've worn it just to go to the grocery store. You know, it's kind of perfect for all activities. I can make it work for everything, and it's not a huge amount of effort, and it doesn't take a huge amount of my day to do, but it does look a lot more polished than you know, a lot of quick styles that I've done in the past. Messy bun, anyone? Okay, so here we are. We've got all the curls done. I'm going to turn my curling iron on. Okay, so we've got all the curls done. I'm going to give them a quick little spray with hairspray, not concentrating on the roots. I just want the mids and the ends to get a little bit of texture. You could use a texture spray. My hair is a little difficult to curl and hold a curl, so I opt for the hairspray. So I'm gonna let this cool for about 10 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. My hair is completely cool. My hairspray is dry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give myself a little scalp massage here. And this is gonna get rid of any of those part lines that we've made by taking our sections. I'm not pulling through, I'm just massaging my roots, getting rid of those lines. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna brush, I'm just gonna kind of rake through and break those curls up just a bit. If you feel a little homecoming circa 2002, just break them up even more. We don't want them sticking together, but we don't want a huge mess on our hands either. All right, there it is. This is my take on a beach wave. I hope you guys like it. I hope it was easy for you to follow. I'll show you the back. If you guys want to see any other hairstyles, let me know. I'd love your suggestions. Hope you guys have a great day. Stay well. Bye.